It's another day of Vlogust, and today I am just struggling with my allergies. So if you want to see me and what I do to try to manage that piece, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less gas in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I am just struggling to breathe. I have been sniffly, snorting, and snotting. It's just been ugly. So I thought, let me get myself into the clinic and get myself taken care of. There's just no point in suffering when there's a medication that can take care of the problem. I've already weighed in. I'll show you that ugly scale when I came in. I didn't want to get on it, but she made me.
I take a temperature in your ear here. Perfect. 98.2.
Okay.
Now I'm going to take this on your finger here. Okay. 70 is the pulse. 96% is the oxygen. There, you can relax that arm.
So now I'm sitting on the table waiting on the doc to come in. So the doc's been in. She's writing me some prescriptions, and when she came in I started a coughing fit, but luckily that's gone. But if my nose is red, that's why. And I have to go to the Kroger pharmacy and pick up my drugs, so I'll be much better. So here's a question for you. What do you do when you have like allergies or situation that kind of pops up? I decided to come into the walk-in clinic rather than drive all the way out to see my regular doctor, who I probably wouldn't be able to get in to see. Tell me in the comment section below. Excuse me.
So the 3 prescriptions that was sent to the pharmacy before is back. The Uterol inhaler, the Zyrtec, and the nasal spray.
Oh, okay,
and
great.
And information about allergies in the back here.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it. This is not one of my better days. I started out today trying to finish up my Safe Sleep video. Ended up having to make a run to the doctor, and here I am. So I thought I would come home and make some chicken noodle soup, and I got home and thought, you know what sounds good? Grilled cheese. So that's what I made, is a grilled cheese sandwich. And I've got a cup of chamomile tea, and I thought I would put some honey in it because I just really want the ultimate in comfort. And this is some organic, very raw honey. I get it at the health food shop, and I use it in my smoothies. And I've got some sliced peaches. You know, I just wanted just something simple and sweet and comforting. So that's what I'm having for lunch. And I think once I get this done, I'm going to take a nap. Now here's something I did want to share, since we're talking about allergies, or my allergies in particular, and the fact that I went to the doctor and got medication. If you have children or family members that are suffering from allergies, seasonal allergies, and it's certainly that time of the year, then I encourage you to take them in to see your physician or your nurse practitioner and get some medication for them. Sometimes, you know, we can look at the sniffles and the sneezing and the shortness of breath that goes along with seasonal allergies, and you as the parent or the spouse or the partner or whoever is watching may not think it's a big deal. But trust me, when you are struggling to breathe, it is a big deal. And being a healthcare provider myself, I will typically wait and treat myself last. But I thought this morning, okay, I can't go all day like this, and I can't go all week like this. So if you've got a child or a loved one that's suffering from seasonal allergies, take them into their physician and get some prescriptions to help them treat whatever symptoms they're having. They may give you some prescription drugs, or they may recommend some over-the-counter drugs. But this is the thing. They will recommend the things that your person needs. And then as time goes on, you may have an idea as to what's needed, and you can continue to give them that. But if nothing else, it puts a record it puts a notation into the record of what's going on with that child or that family member. And so they know what's going on with them and what was used to treat them previously and what might be needed in the future. And for those of you that like home remedies or homeopathic remedies and that kind of thing, I don't have anything against that kind of thing. I don't know much about it, so I won't presume to say much about it. And I'm not a nurse practitioner, so I can't prescribe. But what I will say is that there are certain benefits that you can get from medication and traditional medications, and certainly explore those options. So good. And the other thing is that with small children, if they're really having some difficulty, the physician or the nurse practitioner can tell you how much medication to give them, because you certainly don't want to overdose them, and they don't take as much medication as we would, and even as some older children would. They base what's ordered on the child's weight and age. So those are just some things that I wanted you to think about. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to go and take care of myself and finish my lunch, and then I'm going to lay down and take a nap. So here's my question for you. What part of this whole episode today do you have questions about? Tell me in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've managed a home for more than 45 years. I've raised 3 children, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust. Not a pretty sight.